Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Vanessa Ngampalala, first year Bachelor of Physiotherapy student, and I'm going to be presenting on types of forces on the subject biomedical physics. Okay, we're going to start by defining the term force. A force is a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. There is known to be an unbalanced force and a balanced force. An unbalanced force is when the net force on an object is not zero. These produce a change in motion, and a balanced force is when the net force on an object is equal to zero. These do not produce change in motion. Moving on to the types of forces, there are contact forces and action at a distance forces. Under contact forces, there is frictional force, tension force, normal force, air resistance force, applied force, and spring force. Under action at a distance forces, there is gravitational force, electrical force, and magnetic force. Now we will get into detail and try to explain each and every type of force, starting with applied force. Applied force is a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. If a person is pushing a desk across a room, then there is applied force acting upon the object. Normal force is the support force exerted upon an object that is in contact with another stable object. The air resistance force is observed to oppose the motion of an object. And tension force is the force that is transmitted through a string. Moreover, spring force is the force exerted by a compressed or stretched spring upon any object that is attached to it. The force of gravity is the force with which the Earth, Moon, or other massively large objects attracts another object towards itself. Nuclear force is the force responsible for bonding of nucleus. To give a quick recap about my topic, a force is a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another body. And there are different types of forces. As I had said before, there are contact forces and action at a distance forces. Contact forces are as follows: frictional force, tension force, normal force, air resistance force, applied force, and spring force. Action at a distance forces are gravitational force, electrical force, and magnetic force. This brings me to the end of my presentation.